Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, I must say a big thank you to everyone who has been supporting me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. So guys, today what I'll be doing a house tour. This is not one of my designs, but I'm a person who loves construction, so I saw this house being built and I decided to go there and take a tour. So come along with me guys, let me know what you think. So here we have the family room, and it's a two-story family room, and it has the coffered ceiling, also the fireplace. So this is a bedroom guys, and here's a walk-in closet. And here's the bathroom. This here is the sunroom. And as you can see, the windows are almost from the floor to the ceiling. So the house is being tiled, and there are the tiles. So that's the tile. Look at the stairs, guys. Whoa. So take you out upstairs. So here we have a bedroom, and that's the closet. And the bathroom. And this is another bedroom. In total, we have 6 bedrooms in this house. So this is the bathroom for this room. Again, the same tile. So I'm going to show you the master bedroom. So let me take you to the master bedroom, guys. So this is the master bedroom. So here we have a sitting area in the master bedroom. Look at that view, guys. So that's a little wet bar in master. And this room is huge. So this is a closet. And this is another closet. So it's his and hers closet. And here we have the ensuite. So there's a lot of windows in this house, guys. A lot of windows to facilitate natural lighting. So this is the master bath. You can see that tile. So that's where the vanities will go. That's gonna be a dressing area, and linen closet. Another linen closet. So back to the master bedroom. So a lot of windows to have that natural lighting, guys. But I'm definitely in love with that sitting area. Wow. And this is the last bedroom I'm about to show you. And that's the bathroom for this bedroom.